First, perform proper hand washing and wearing appropriate PPE. Gain the patient's consent and introduce yourself and explain to the patient what you are going to do. Put a pillow underneath to provide comfort to the patient and for the ease of use for putting the cast. To measure the fiberglass that I'm going to use, I will use this cloth. From 2 finger breadths distal to the popliteal fossa, then measure out 4 inches past the toes. Using this measurement, prepare the fiberglass and moisten it. Put a stockinette to protect the skin from sweating. Put it right to the bottom of the patella. Get a 90-degree angle by bracing the foot against the body. Cut out the wrinkle to avoid pressure in the skin. For the fiberglass, we have a shorter piece for the L, or the posterior element, and the longer piece for the U, or the stirrup. For the shorter piece for the L, put it 2 finger breadths below the popliteal fossa, then up to the tip of the toes. Do the longer piece for the U to the top of the calf. Remember to still put pressure to keep the 90 degrees. Then wrap. Remember, it should be snug but not too tight. It should be rolling it on and not really pulling. Still, put pressure on the heel and the ball of the foot. Fold the end of the stockinette over the edge of the fiberglass. This will let the toes be exposed on the top so you can see the circulation. Wrap again and turn over the edge, making a figure of 8. Roll the stockinette over the top. Do the overwrap. For the mold, make sure no rough edges is folding into the foot. Check for any problems like it is wrapped too tight and covering up the whole toes. After the procedure, instruct the patient.